Good morning. This is Lynn, and I am an ENT surgeon by training. And really, with CLiKX, I want to help millions to hear again with ear tube surgery in just one click. The problem I'm trying to solve is glue ear, middle ear fluid behind the eardrum in the middle ear space. Worldwide, it is the #1 reason for why a child has hearing loss, why visits the doctors, antibiotic resistance, and also why he undergoes surgery with general anesthesia. If you leave this alone, hearing loss. So when medications fail, surgeons put a very small 1 millimeter tube onto the eardrum to drain this fluid. Very big problem. Now 18 million surgeries a year globally, but the real need is 120 million surgeries. Why is there such a big unmet need? Because the current surgery needs change of many different instruments, and thus general anesthesia, big operating theater setup, huge manpower resource, surgical microscope to see that small tube. We now have the world's first and the world's only robotic handheld device with just one press of that button, 1 second insertion of the tube onto the eardrum. This is a 1 second precision ear tube surgery with one click, 1 millimeter onto the eardrum very precisely. Clinical Asia trials have gone well, 97% success rates in both children and adults, children as young as 6 months old, under local anesthesia or even no anesthesia. We hope to be in Singapore sales next year. Patient now walks into the clinic, click, home within an hour, millions more can be helped. For the doctor, I do 10 surgical cases a day in the clinic instead of 1 case in the OR 6 months, 1 year later. I become the go-to doctor. Payers worldwide cut the bill size many times. Already there are favorable CPT codes that we can use. Competitors, only 3 competitors, but they are manual devices. They still need the microscope. They make a big hole on the eardrum. They need a new tube that has to have a long follow-up. We are also reusable thousands of times for the body, razor blade sales model, disposable shaft, rapid 1 second insertion. Competitors have exited after FDA or CE clearance, and we would be a very attractive target. We have a team deep in expertise for you. Also a globally leading directors and international advisory board who have exited many companies. We started late 2021, and we have been into 8 global accelerator programs because there's been huge commercialization, commercial interest, and we have been awarded key prizes, MedTech challenges. We completed a pre-A round early this year, and that round we completed the Asian trial. We are going to do Asia commercialization with that. And that money also goes into FDA trials that we will complete next year. And so we are raising Series A funds now, 8 million. That funds would be used mainly for USA commercialization. I hope to hear from many of you. Thank you. This is the device.